Okay, I'm going to show you two really good deals in Las Vegas. If you're walking around in this area, it's In-N-Out Burger. Best deals on hamburgers, french fries, milkshakes in anywhere near the Las Vegas Strip. And only about 5% more than their Maryland location on UNLV campus. And then this one, this ice bar, they've got great deals on drinks. Shots, $5 shots, $5 margaritas, $5 boozy whips, $22 50-ounce daiquiri. You can drink that all damn day long. Okay, well, I did not see any place that looks like Bojangles. I saw two places it could go that were unidentified, boarded up. So that's most likely one of those. That would be my bet so far. A double burger at In-N-Out is $6.30 right there on the promenade. Ooh, here's another place that could be Bojangles. Wow, could be. Another place that could be Bojangles. Okay, there's probably 5 places that Bojangles could be coming in.